I am Dr. Memari, and I am recording some videos in the lab for General Chemistry 1 for two purposes. My online students and any online students who are taking 1045 online, they can use these videos and watch them, collect data to complete the data sheet and submit the data sheet. For face-to-face classes, they can watch it as like a pre-lab requirement, and they would be ready to perform the experiment much better because they already know the techniques. So they would generate the data in the lab. One of the techniques that is used often in the lab is like how to turn on Bunsen burner and how to adjust the flame on the Bunsen burner, which I'm going to show you now how to do that. A Bunsen burner has a gas adjustment valve. It makes that sound. If you don't have enough air, the combustion reaction of gas with the oxygen is incomplete, and you get like yellow color flame, which shows that you have carbon monoxide. You don't have enough air being introduced or mixed with the gas. So what you do, you open the air valve, and you would open it until you get like two distinct blue color of flame. If you open it too much, what will happen here, then you hear that noise and the popping sound. When that happens, when you are not watching, the flame can blow out. To avoid any danger of having gas in the lab, if the flame just it goes off on its own, we want to make sure that we give enough oxygen, just enough oxygen to generate the blue cones. The hottest part of the flame is the top of the inner cone. We use this to have like water bath, to prepare water bath. And when you are preparing water bath, you must have a container with the water, and you have a support, which I like to use rather than the tripods. I like to use this. I don't like these tripods because I want to be able to adjust it, and sometimes they are loose, so I don't use them. I use an iron ring, I use a ring stand, and a wire gauze to support the beaker of water now to prepare the hot water bath.